Hi guys, we're talking about wheel cleaning today. Not only wheels, but we're cleaning tires as well. We're here today to introduce an all new product for us. It's our wheel and tire cleaner. We currently sell our tire and rubber cleaner. We have our all-purpose cleaner, then we have our wheel cleaner and our eco wheel cleaner. Wheel cleaning can be kind of bulky. It's a bulky process. You have 2 different chemicals, a bunch of different brushes. We wanted to simplify it into one chemical, and then you have your array of brushes, which you really need. You have your tire brush with stiffer bristles, you have your wheel face brush that has a little bit softer face to it, the barrel brush to get back in where you can't reach with your hand, but now you have one chemical to do all of the cleaning power that you need it to do. Anytime you're cleaning your wheels and tires, make sure that they are A, cool to the touch and not hot. Don't drive off the highway and don't try to clean a hot wheel. It will not work out in your favor. Secondly, when you're using this product, move quickly. Don't allow the product to dry onto the wheel surface or the tire surface because it's just higher chances for it to stain, for it to go haywire. As with our wheel cleaner, guys, there is a couple warnings that you want to take into measure. One, in fact, being do not use this product. It says right on the back of the bottle, avoid use on raw, anodized, or polished aluminum wheels. So if you guys have those wheel finishes, Eco Wheel Cleaner is a product for you. Keep this one for clear coated wheels, powder coated, anything that's factory. I'm gonna show you how to use it today on this FJ Cruiser. Make sure that you guys know the exact process of how to use this product and really make the most of your wheel and tire cleaning. We're using a pressure washer today. We're gonna start with a thorough rinse of the tire and the wheel face and then go into cleaning. So first you want to take wheel and tire cleaner. Make sure you have it set to the fan spray setting. You want to cover as much surface as possible. I'm going to start by cleaning the tire face and then go into the wheel face. One thing you'll notice about this product is that when you spray it onto the tire face itself, it immediately starts to pull out all of that oxidation, the browning, anything that's not supposed to be on your tire. This stuff gets after it fast. So spray down the tire face. Look at that. Oh, that is so gross. Spray the wheel face down. Get back in those barrels. Take our tire brush. Going to actively go against the sidewalls and the wheel surfaces. It's not going to turn purple like our current wheel cleaner because the active is not quite the same in this product. It will use a specific blend of surfactants and ingredients to help loosen all of those contaminants on the surface and make it that much easier when you hit it with the brush and agitate it for it to easily be removed. Take our wheel face brush. Take our wheel woolly. Get our trim and lug brush. Get around these holes. Take our pressure washer. As you guys can see, this tire is going to slowly start to dry out. It's just going to have a absolutely bare surface. I mean, it pulled every single thing away and the wheel face is flawless as well. This is an efficiency play on detailing. You only have one chemical to do the whole job with instead of having 2 bottles. You're gonna save time going around the car. I mean, there's nothing on this tire. One thing with cleaning a tire surface this well and having it be that bare is your tire dressings, whether you're using Tire Shine or VRT, or if you're getting ready for tire armor, it's absolutely going to adhere to the tire surface so much better because you have nothing in the way of it bonding to it. You have a completely raw surface for it to go onto. Your tire dressings are going to last longer. All right, guys, so as always, we make products here to make your process easier, to make your detailing experience a better system. So wheel and tire cleaner was a product that we're really excited for. We're excited to get it out onto the market. It's extremely effective at cleaning both wheel surfaces. As you guys can see, I mean, it got to work fast on this thing. One thing that we can't reiterate enough is that make sure that you're using this product you're working quickly for one, and for two, don't let it sit onto the surface. Make sure the wheels are cool to the touch. If you guys have finicky wheel finishes, just stick to our Eco Wheel Cleaner. But this product is absolutely gonna knock your socks off when it comes to wheel and tire cleaning. So we're really excited for it. Thanks for watching.